Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos filling at home. First, gather your ingredients like ground meat, beans, and spices. Next, we'll explore various cooking methods to ensure your fillings are perfectly seasoned and tender. You'll learn to create a base that's both flavorful and easy to customize for any taco night. Get ready to elevate your homemade taco experience with these simple steps. For a classic ground beef filling, start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet. Drain any excess fat, then add diced onions and minced garlic, cooking until softened. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour in 1/2 cup of water and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. This creates a rich, savory base for your tacos. If you prefer chicken, shred 2 cups of cooked chicken and toss it with your favorite taco seasoning for a quick, flavorful option. For a hearty vegetarian choice, mash 1 can of black beans with 1/4 cup of salsa and a squeeze of lime juice. You can also sauté colorful bell peppers and corn with a dash of smoked paprika for a vibrant, fresh filling. These alternatives offer fantastic variety and are equally delicious. Don't be afraid to get creative with your taco fillings. Experiment with different spices like smoked paprika, oregano, or a dash of cayenne for extra heat. Fresh toppings are key. Think chopped cilantro, shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or a squeeze of fresh lime. These additions truly elevate the experience. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and that awesome car air freshener. Enjoy your delicious homemade tacos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.